Video 1.3 Hardware Overview of ESP32. In this video, we will cover the following topics: Hardware specifications of ESP32, ESP32 board overview, ESP32 pinout diagram overview, serial interfaces on the ESP32. Like the ESP8266 chip, the ESP32 can be found in various models with different hardware features. According to the datasheet, the ESP32 chip is manufactured in 5 different variants. A table comparing the features of the 5 different chips is shown here. The ESP Room32 houses an ESP D0WDQ6 chip. The ESP D0WDQ6 chip has an internal memory of 448 kilobytes of ROM for booting and core functions. It has 52 kilobytes of on-chip SRAM for data and instructions. It has 8 kilobytes of SRAM in RTC, which is dedicated for data storage. The 8 kilobytes of SRAM in RTC, called RTC slow memory, can be accessed by the coprocessor during the deep sleep mode. The 2 CPU cores can be controlled individually. The CPU clock frequency of this chip is adjustable from 80 MHz to 240 MHz. The presence of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy makes it possible to use the ESP Room32 module for a wide range of applications. Using the Wi-Fi, you can connect to the internet through Wi-Fi routers. The Bluetooth allows you to make direct connections conveniently with smartphones or low-power beacons. The sleep current of the ESP32 is less than 5 microamperes, making it suitable for battery-powered and wearable electronics applications. The ESP32 works on FreeRTOS with LWIP and a TLS 1.2 connection with hardware acceleration also built in. Developers can upgrade their product even after their release due to its secure over-the-air upgrade feature. To learn more about the specifications, please check out the resources. The ESP Room32 module consists of 30 pins, out of which some are predefined for particular tasks. There are 2 LEDs present on board: the power LED and the onboard red LED, which can be controlled using GPIO. There are 2 onboard debugging buttons, namely Enable button and the Boot button. There are 3 different chips on the module, one being the ESP32 D0WDQ6 chip housed in a metallic covering. The other chip is CP2102, a highly integrated USB to UART bridge controller. This makes it easier to program the ESP32. An AMS1117 voltage regulator IC is also provided on the chip. The module can be easily connected to the programming environment using the micro USB port. Let's get an insight into the pinout diagram of the ESP Room32. There are 18 analog to digital converter channels, 10 capacitive sensing GPIOs, 16 PWM output channels, 2 digital to analog converters, and few pins dedicated to the serial interfaces. There are 25 GPIO pins available, out of which a few pins are input only. Not all pins have input pull-ups. Some pins need external pull-ups also. All the GPIO pins can be configured as interrupts. The ESP32 has 10 internal capacitive touch sensors. These pins can sense variations in electric charge. This detects variations induced in the pin even when touched by a finger. These pins can replace mechanical buttons and can be used as capacitive pads. To convert digital signals to analog signals, 2 8-bit DAC channels are available. There is RTC GPIO support on the ESP32. The GPIO pins used in the RTC low-power subsystem are used when the ESP32 is in deep sleep mode. These RTC GPIOs are used to wake up the ESP32 from deep sleep when the ultra-low-power coprocessor is running. There are 16 different channels that can be used to generate PWM signals with different properties. All the output pins can be used to generate PWM signals. The analog to digital conversion in the ESP32 has a resolution of up to 12 bits with 4096 distinct values. The ESP32 can transfer data using serial, I2C and SPI protocols. The RX0 and TX0 are used for programming using serial transfer. Another set of pins, U2RXD and U2TXD, are also available. The SDA and SCL pins are available for I2C interfacing. There are 2 sets of pins available for SPI. Please check out the resources of this video for a detailed pin mapping. Video summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics: hardware specifications of ESP32, ESP32 board overview, ESP32 pinout diagram overview, serial interfaces on the ESP32. In the next video, we will take the ESP32 for a spin.